Looking to experience the power and versatility of Firefox on your Chromebook? Today, we'll guide you through the steps to do just that. Let's dive right in. First, enable the Linux development environment. If you haven't done this yet, find the latest up-to-date instructions at the link in the description and follow them. Have Linux enabled? Great! If it's not already open, open your terminal from the app launcher. Remember, all the commands used in this video can be found at the link in the description for your convenience. Next, you'll need to determine your Chromebook's architecture. Simply run the command arch in your terminal. If the result is x86_64, which refers to systems with Intel or AMD processors, you're good to go for the latest Firefox version. Otherwise, you'll need to install the Firefox Extended Support Release or ESR package. Firefox Extended Support Release is designed for organizations with large-scale deployments, providing extended support without all the newest features but maintaining the latest security and stability fixes. If your system requires this version, you can install it by running the following commands in your terminal. Now, let's open up the Firefox ESR version to see it in action. You can find it in the App Launcher under Linux Apps. Launch it, and in the About Firefox menu, you'll see the version number indicating that it's the Extended Support Release. For those on Intel or AMD systems, the Flatpack version of Firefox is the way to go, as it's always up to date. First, install Flatpack by running these commands in your terminal. Then, install Firefox with this command. The great news is that you can install both versions of Firefox if you wish and use them according to your needs. And there you have it. Whether you've installed the ESR version, the latest Firefox, or both, you're now ready to explore the web on your terms. Thank you for watching this guide on installing Firefox on your Chromebook. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. For even more Chromebook-related content, tips and guides, be sure to visit starryhope.com. Your support means a lot to us, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content. Happy browsing, and see you in the next video.